What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Super excited for today's video because I purchased an MGW short throw shifter for the Corvette. If you seen some of my other videos, kind of a common theme is I missed gears and stuff with the stock shifter and have a lot of issues with it. So this should solve all those problems. Let me show you what I got here. So this right here is the lower box kit. Inside you got the alignment tool right here, and then this is like some insulation for like heat and stuff that you put on the torque tube of the Corvette. This looks like some blue Loctite, and then I believe this right here would be our lower box. And it looks like there's also some Dynamat in here as well. And then this is the shift knob. This is MGW's race shift knob. I can also use the stock shift knob if I want to. In this bag, we got some extra washers to help fill a gap for between the knob and the boot. And so these are those right here. Not sure if we'll need them or not. And then this looks like a rubber grommet of some sort. And then we also got this zip tie that came in too. Also got an Allen wrench from them. So then we got MGW shifter sticker, another Allen tool. This I believe is a gasket for the shifter in between the upper and lower box. I can show you that later. And then these are another Allen wrench with some more bolts as well. And then these are for the shifter also. And then this is our MGW shifter right here. You see it says C5, C6, C7. Should look pretty sweet. So that's pretty much what you get when you order one of these. It comes with an upper and a lower box, just to keep in mind. They also make a flat stick version for the Corvette, and I think for Mustangs and Camaros as well. If you haven't heard of them, you should go check them out. But as far as that, it's time for me to install it. All right, guys, kind of had to mess with the time lapse. A little bit excited to watch a video just to kind of see, because I wasn't really too sure exactly how this was going to go. But I got it installed. Just kind of have to put everything back together, put the shift knob on, and then we should be good to go. But I'll show you kind of what it looks like. So this is what it looks like right now. Obviously, it doesn't have the knob or anything on it, but this is what it would be. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. Pretty excited. I can already tell it feels way better. So time to put it all back together and see how she looks. Guys, I forgot to mention that MGW, they called me and they asked me if I wanted to have it to where I can, if I wanted to use the stock shift knob, or if I wanted to just have it where it was just for the race knob that I bought. I told them to make it, if they can make it that I could switch back to the stock shifter if I wanted to, the shift knob. So they did that, so I got a separate one here. Then I have this one right here, which is for the aftermarket shift knob, but I can switch between the two if I really want to. All right, guys, just ripped it. Definitely way better than the stock shifter and everything. So shout out MGW, make a really good kit. That's gonna do it for now. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Peace.